Well, early Hollywood movie stars were often seen as particularly glamorous. This was due to the operation of the early Hollywood system where extensive methods were used to make the stars glamorous. Should that same protocol remain in today's world? Let's take a stand with Kajal and Aarti. Thank you so much for joining us. Now, the topic came up because we were talking about Karan asking Vidya Balan on his show that what do you have to say to all those who critique your clothing sense, your dress sense, that you're not this glamour girl that fits the Bollywood industry, she wears bad stuff. And then she told him that point blank, I just want to tell all those people, thank God I have a life. Now, most people think that she really doesn't know how to dress well, and whether it's important for her to keep up with the industry and dress appropriately is the topic. And what's your stand on that?
I think Bollywood has come a long way from the time when everything was very glamorized. And obviously the word glamour has different definitions at the moment. But I think Vidya Balan, go for it, whatever you want to do. If you want to wear saris to every award function, I don't see a problem in that. She's been doing such a great job in the movies that she's been in, and she has great following. When she started in Paranita, she did a fabulous job. She's not this amazingly glamorous person like Kareena Kapoor or Deepika. Yeah, I mean those are really, really, really glamorous people.
No, but isn't it her responsibility to also look out for what critics are calling her or telling her to do or wear, because she has this responsibility of a public life now, because she's just not her and herself, and she cannot be herself, and all of us sitting over here are really not, we don't look like this in our other life, right? I mean, we do put a little lipstick and look good to appear in media, and we feel it's our responsibility to carry that image because we are now in front of a lot of people.
I think right now the role for a Bollywood or Hollywood actress, or even just, I mean, there's so much reality TV right now, right? Any of these guys, I think they need to exude confidence. I think that's more important than being glamorous in today's world. I do agree, years ago, everything was about glamour, everything was about, the big hair and the makeup, etc. Now I think it's all about the confidence, not so much glamour.
Well, I think she has a point, but you were saying something else, right?
Well, I do. I think also, like you said, Kajal, the word glamour has kind of changed throughout the years too. Even though glamour does identify the big hair, the makeup, and so on, it also now, I think nowadays, also it entails looking good, feeling good, being fit and healthy. So that's also another definition, so to speak, of glamour.
Absolutely.
And I think that's what maybe is great for a lot of younger girls and boys looking at the actors and actresses as role models. So not necessarily just strictly based on the flamboyancy of their looks.
But the common sense for other people is that, okay, she's at the peak and she's exploiting her roles and not, doing justice to her roles, because she's bringing the whole Bollywood industry down to being very ordinary and normal.
But that's a good
whereas
thing.
Bollywood is supposed to be all that glamour and glitz and all
That's
that
what Bollywood is based
and
on.
Deepika Padukone type.
Right, but I feel like she's trying to change that.
The problem that's coming out in the industry is that she's also delving into other roles that doesn't fit her, and just because she's on the peak, she's getting those roles and not doing justice, is because she decides to look the way she wants to look and not go by any standard. And
I think you definitely need to play. That's what an actress's job is. You need to play the part. So she's taking on roles where she probably should require herself to be somewhat glam. Then she need to put effort in that direction and not just stick to her motto of, I'm going to look like this no matter what.
We do want to look a little more presentable. So your take on that, she should be either thick-skinned or a little bit looser weight and become glam. And your point of that acting comes more important than looking, and it's a reality TV that's taking us to the direction that we can afford to look ourselves and still be on top. Thank you so much, girls, for joining us.
Thank you.